Awesome, mate. Smashed it today. You guys keep the adult class alive. Keep it up. Keep up the good stuff. Right. Why is he here?
He is not allowed to speak to you until I have spoken to you. My name is Richard Harrison, and I am going to give this to you. We are taking you to Rascals court on behalf of attacking him, even though he paid for his ticket fair and square. So I will see you in Rascals court with my client. Thank you.
You guys take it easy. I'll give you this.
Order in court! Order in court! Who is it that stands before me today? State your names for the judge.
My name is Richard Harrison, and I represent the finest king to ever grace a wrestling ring, King Harry.
You?
On this occasion, I'll represent myself.
I just ask you a name. Name?
Christopher Clifton.
Clifton, you say? I presided over many cases in Clifton. Joyriders and vagabonds. It's not looking good for you, sir. You have no representation?
Today I'll be representing myself in this show trial.
Pathetic.
This is making a mockery of what is Wrestler's Court. How has he brought in someone all the way from Harvard Law School?
Money.
This is a... Let's proceed, Your Honour.
Why is he wearing other mittens on his head? Why are you wearing other mittens on your head, Your Honour?
How very dare he! How very dare he! I am a professional. Do not come into this courtroom making a mockery of me.
If I may, Your Honour, it is his first time in Wrestler's Court. He's not used to these kind of jurisdictions. However, I have represented the finest from LA Knight to Case and Riley to Kane Corso, and I believe I've represented Big T at one point.
You seem like a very earnest fellow, if I may say so. You, on the other hand, Mr. Clifton, I presided over many cases in that place. Thieves and vagabonds, a lot of them. It is highly advisable that you bring some reputation with you. These are very serious allegations.
Your Honour, we need to make this quick. I've got a new venue to be looking at, a huge issue in HR, and we need to sort out our next show. So, can we get this...
You! Oh my gosh, nobody go in there. Oh, I'm so sorry.
What are you doing here, keyboard?
I'm your lawyer.
No.
Order in court! Order in court!
I would like a Big Mac and fries, Your Honour.
Be silent or I'll have you in contempt. I will have order in my courtroom, Mr. Clifton. Does this riffraff represent yourself?
I got you an apple. You got an apple?
You will ask permission before you approach the bench or I'll have you removed from this courtroom. State your name for the judge.
No, he doesn't need to state his name. He's leaving now.
My name is Keyboard Warrior, and I'm representing Mr. Clifton.
Clifton? That'll do. Okay.
Can we have a moment, Your Honour? I need to speak to my...
No, it's in the courtroom!
To my...
Court will be adjourned for 10 seconds.
Right?
What are you doing here? Stop eating the apple! Put that down!
I am your lawyer. You hired me.
I didn't hire... What, do you even know what he's here for?
No. Well, he hired me.
He hired you?
Yeah, he hired me.
To represent me?
Yeah. I thought he could do that, right?
He's been sacked. He doesn't even work here anymore. We filled in the paperwork. You were the co-GM at the time.
Look, it's legal. Look, there. Right, you see there? Your lawyer is Keyboard Warrior. Signed by King Harry.
Signed by King Harry?
Yeah. So I'm now your lawyer for this.
Right, let's just get this up. Just.
Order in court!
Don't worry, I got this.
How long is this going to take? I
have Pringles!
You do?
From all the way from America. Delicious. I got 3 cans for my birthday. They're fabulous. You want some?
I wouldn't mind if I did.
I told you I got this.
What are you doing? Oh, are you okay?
No, I've just been attacked! You wonderful human being.
I'll give you a bonus, don't worry.
Thank you. Your Honour, consider this. He is absolutely unprofessional and unjurisdicted, and I don't even know where he got his qualifications from. What is this representation?
I got my qualifications from behind Aldi. They gave me this parchment saying you are now a lawyer. So I believe that I can be a lawyer. That's my dreams. And don't you dare shut my dreams down.
Your Honour, is this even allowed?
I hear no objection to the complainant's I had no objection regarding the unsuitability of your legal representation. However, I'm willing to let the case continue. I'm assuming you've brought some witnesses to corroborate your accusations against this man.
Call my first witness! Mate, what are you doing?
What on earth is
I call my first witness, Penguina. May he stand right here, Your Honour?
He got a moustache last time I saw him.
He hit puberty. So, Penguina, on the day of the Christmas show, did you or did you not see Mr. Clifton over here attack my client?
Objection! Objection! Your Honour, objection!
overruled?
Did you or did you not eat a penguin bar?
Objection! Objection! He ate one of them. He ate a mint edition.
Objection sustained. I do not see the relevance of this line of questioning in court.
As you see, Your Honour, my client here has a fair reputation. He's had many matches with so many people. But as he was attacked, he has many developed relations with outside people, such as, for example, Penguina, who is very close, and he was on, in fact, CCTV that day. And weren't you not, Penguina?
I find it very difficult to understand whether Penguina had eaten a penguin bar for his lunch has any bearing on this case, Mr. Boggs. I'll thank you to be quiet in my court, please.
Penguina, were you or were you not working CCTV? Were you? Yes. Were you? If you shake your head again, I swear to God, I'm going to send you out that door. Do you understand?
Your Honour.
Objection.
Okay.
So, were you or were you not working on CCTV? And did you, Penguina, see Mr. Clifton attack my client?
Objection!
Mr. Keyboard Warrior, objection on what grounds? On what grounds?
He assaulted Clifton first.
No. I do not recall any of that. For you see, it was rallied up. He riled him up. It was a moral attack. It was unfortunate of how he reacted, yes. However, for him basically attacking, harassing and bullying my client on a show, no less.
I know.
Objection!
On what grounds?
Objection!
Mr. Clifton, please control your representation.
Yeah, Mr. Clifton.
Objection!
You may have to speak to his parents.
I will hold you in contempt, Mr. Warrior. One more objection. Without proper grounds, I will have you removed from court. Do you understand?
Objection!
It's okay.
The
No more questions, Your Honour, from my client Penguina.
Hold me back.
Back in the
You've got to
loo,
hold me
off you
back.
go.
Thank you.
maybe we need to talk about how weird a relationship.
Oh yeah.
How about raise my character profile now.
Yeah.
You've got
Me and my clients, Mr. Clifton. Mr. Clifton. We had a very strong relationship, co-GM, GM. And I, as a child, believed that he was a very good GM. Like the time, he was hoovering. He's such a hard worker, he's always hoovering all the time. And he threw that thing at my head. And he might have called me
A concussion.
concussion, yes.
He's still concussed.
Might cause me a concussion, but you can tell how hard he works because when I'm being lazy, he throws stuff at my head.
Your Honour, clearly this is dreadful representation. This child, representing a grown man, no less, is clearly stating he is clearly not capable of his job.
Well, let's leave the judgment to myself. I am not without intelligence, eyes or ears. I can see what's going on before me, and I will make a judgment. Do you have any more witnesses to corroborate your statements?
Sorry. Yes, I do, my good sir. I have.
You brought Lee, the fan.
Lee?
Front row Lee.
No. Sorry. This. I have brought forward something wrong.
Something wrong with him.
Mr. Warrior, please shut your mouth.
Objection.
Look at him.
Objection sustained. Please be quiet in my courtroom.
Now,
Please explain.
I shall. First of all,
Konnichiwa.
Namaste. So, something wrong. You have been on a couple of shows before, have you not? And have you been working around behind the scenes? What is Mr. Clifton like as someone to work with? Really?
Oh, that's awful.
That is awful.
He's using wrong language.
I do speak Margarita. So, Mr. Ting Wong, did you or did you not have a conversation with the king? And did he not say to you about the atrocities that have happened towards him? He did?
Thank you, Mr. Wong.
I'm sorry, it's a very difficult case. Mr. Something Wong, did you or did you not hear Mr. Clifton's plans to attack the king?
Objection!
Answer the question, Wong! I speak Wongish. He says Clifton was awful.
No more questions, Your Honour.
The judge has seen and heard all he needs to see and hear. In my mind, Mr. Clifton, the simple facts of this case are: you had an agreement with the king that he was not to cheat on his match. You have not presented any kind of contract or paperwork. So that in itself is not legal and binding.
Very good point, Your Honour.
However, secondarily to this, His Majesty did not cheat, it was Hellspawn. Therefore, my judgment is, as he had one last match left on his contract, you are to obligate that match, Mr. Clifton. Do you understand?
Just to make it clear, one last match. Do I find out when this last match is?
One last match.
One last match from the king. I don't even know why I'm looking for you for support. One last match. What? Agreed.
One last match, we agree.
Okay.
I like that.
Richard Williams and King Harry, you are dismissed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Honour. Pleasure. Now my stizzle.
Thank you, Your Honour.
I wouldn't say it was an honour, but I'm very busy, as you can imagine, running this academy. We do need to leave. I need to get him to somewhere.
One more thing, Mr. Clifton. I've seen the video evidence, I've seen the footage, and it's not the first time you struck a minor on a show. It is also my judgment that you are not fit to carry on your duties as a general manager without some support putting in place. We will decide what we will do, but we must introduce a new co-GM to work alongside you and hold you to account, Mr. Clifton. Dismissed.